Welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is Ashley and I'll be your Sunny Fit trainer for today's workout. Today, we are going to be doing a 10-minute intermediate treadmill workout. We're gonna do intervals. So again, if you are just starting your running journey or you want just a nice good 10-minute workout, a little bit of a push, this is the workout for you. Let's get started. As always, we're gonna start with a nice walk. So I'm gonna hit my 3 over here and I'm gonna hit play. And let's go, okay? 1 minute walk to warm up, okay? So that can be anywhere. That could be anywhere you'd like. It could be a 2, it can be a 4. Maybe between 2 and 4 is a good place to be. I'm at a 3 right now, so just a gentle walk. I could even take it down a notch. Maybe I'll go 2.8 just to really feel like I'm not pushing it yet. So we got a bunch of 1 minute intervals coming up. We got some jogs, some runs, which will be just a little faster than a jog, a couple recovery walks, and that'll be that, okay? So just 10 minutes, get a good little sweat, working, thinking about form and quality over, you know, going too crazy out of the gate, right? So in 20 seconds, we're gonna pick this up into a jog for 1 minute. Jog can be anywhere from a 4 to a 6, 6 being the higher speed. If you're feeling good and you wanna push a little more than that, this is your workout, so feel free, but listen to your body. I recommend 4 to 6. Here we go. 3, 2, and a 1. I'm gonna hit my 6 and then I'm gonna drop it down to about a 5 to start me off on this interval. All right, so we're gonna be here for 1 minute. Use this time, maybe this is one of your easier jogs. You're still kind of just ramping up, warming up. Pay attention to your body, your form, where your foot hits the pad. All right, you're propelling that pad away underneath you with your toes, but you're landing that full foot in front of you. Or actually full foot kind of underneath you. It feels like it's in front, but the way the knees cycle, you technically should be landing just underneath yourself. 20 more seconds, and then we're gonna take it up a notch for a minute. So we're gonna go to a run. That can be anywhere from a 5 to a 7, so just faster than where you are now. All right, we're going in 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go, take it up a notch. I went 1 full notch up, so I'm at a 6 right now. We're gonna be here for a minute. 5 to 7 on the speed, 0 incline. All right, focusing on where that foot's hitting. Make sure your shoulders are dropped out of your ears, like just down and proud, not hinging forward, not looking down. You wanna look straight ahead. We got 30 more seconds, and then we get to do a recovery walk. Good. Use your inhale, use your nose for inhaling. Just try not to do too much mouth breathing. Kind of gasses you out a little bit more. So fill up those lungs. And exhale slowly. We've got another 10 seconds. Those elbows are slicing the air. So not flopping all around, not too tight, release tension. 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down to a walk. Easy does it. All right, we got 1 minute here. Catch your breath. Take some mental notes. How'd that feel? We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do 1 minute jog, 1 minute run, 1 minute recovery walk. We're gonna take an incline during that next recovery walk, okay? So, take the next 40 seconds. Lower that heart rate a bit. Focus on your breathing. Focus on your form, your body, where are your hips, where are your knees. Are you hitting too heavy on the heel when you're running? So just reflect back and think on a few of those things. So we got 20 seconds, we go back into a jog. That last round felt good. I encourage you to increase this jog speed a little bit, maybe 0.2 or anywhere from 0.2 to 0.5. Feel free to increase this jog speed. So again, we're gonna go anywhere from a 4 to a 6. If you did 4 last time, maybe do 4.5 this time. Here we go. I'm gonna hit a 5.2. All right. Land lightly on those feet. Not hyperextending the knee. Just kind of flicking the floor away. And And again, those arms are moving in sync with your knees, with your legs. Core's active, but not too tense. You don't want those shoulders tense either. So if you start to feel like your arms are getting tired, you gotta relax that upper body. You can kind of do one of these too, just to kind of remind yourself. All right, and then just get back to that nice, neat slicing of the air with the elbows and the hands. Hands are relaxed. 10 more seconds. We go to a run. Same as we did here. Try to increase the speed by 0.2 or so from last time. 2 and 1. Here we go. Anywhere from 5 to a 7. I had 6 last time. I'm at a 6.2 this time. So see what you got. We're here for a minute. So it might be a little mental game, but just believe you can. Send a little love to your body, your mind. And remember to breathe. Remember to relax those arms, those shoulders. Think about how those feet feel hitting the ground. Good, you got it. Think about recruiting the core a little bit. Good, we're almost there already, 20 seconds. Get anything for 20 seconds. You got it. We're gonna recovery walk at an incline in 15 seconds. Great job, y'all, great job. Hang on, don't give up yet. 5 seconds, 3, 2, and 1. Back to your walk. On the left side, let's increase that incline to a 4 to a 6. So anywhere you'd like. I'm gonna go to a 5. 5% incline for me, but anywhere from a 4 to a 6, whatever feels good for you. We're at a walk. I'm at my 3.0 walk. Walk can be anywhere from 2 to 4. All right, so just catch your breath. Think more about activating a little more glutes here as you're climbing a bit of a hill. Whew, we're already halfway through our recovery walk. Next couple intervals are shorter, but we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna jog and we're gonna run. Jog for 45 seconds, 4 to 6, at this incline. Then we're gonna run for 45 seconds, 5 to 7, at this incline. You can do it. Let's go in 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Starting with that jog. I'm gonna try to maintain that 5.2 that I had last time. But if you need to bump it down back to what you started with, if you want to drop it by 0.2, you could totally do that. All right, it's a shorter interval. Notice the difference. Notice different muscles maybe working a little harder this time, a little more posterior chain here, a little more calves maybe, glutes, hammies, maybe quads. It depends on your body. It depends on where you're a little stronger. 10 more seconds. We're gonna increase that speed. Here we go. In 5, 3, 2, bump it up, let's go. You are running. I'm gonna try to maintain my 6.2 from last round. You're running at your incline. I'm still at a 5% grade. Try to hang on, but listen to yourself, okay? If you need to feel safer, drop that incline, drop the speed, whatever feels that it'll be more accessible and safer for you. Otherwise, check in with yourself, check in with your body, your form. We got 15 seconds, and then we walk for 30. Hang on there, hang on. Recruit those abs, relax those arms. Breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Back to your walk. And we get to also decrease that incline here. So try not to drop it all the way down. You can totally do anywhere from 0 to 2. I'm gonna keep it at a 2. Feels barely any different. But if you wanna do like maybe a 1, I encourage that. We got 10 more seconds here. We have a 1 minute jog finisher. After this, then you are done. 3 seconds. Maintain this incline. 3, 2, 1. Jogging. 4 to 6. Go ahead and try to increase that speed if you're at no incline or low incline. All right, I hit myself, I'm hit at a 5.4 right now. So last 2 intervals I did a 5.2, took it up a notch. Just a touch for that last minute. Breathe, 30 more seconds. Remember to relax those arms. If those shoulders are starting to get tired, shake them out. Relaxed hands. Elbows just sliding forward and back. Good, 15 seconds, hang on. Don't give up, don't slow down. Commit to it, you can do it. Let's go, last 3, 2, and 1. All right. I'm gonna hit stop on that right side here, but feel free if you wanna do a little bit more walking to finish out that workout, feel free to walk for another couple minutes. That was great, guys. Thank you so much for working out with me today. If you like this workout, please hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you stay up to date on our new workouts that we launch every week. Also, feel free to leave a comment. Let us know how you did and if you want more workouts like this. And yeah, thanks for being here today, and I'll see you at the next workout. Hey everyone, if you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There you'll find many more classes from me. I teach trampoline cardio, dance cardio, cardio kickboxing, plus many more from all the SunnyFit trainers. If you haven't yet downloaded the SunnyFit app, click the link in the description below, and we'll see you there.